Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if you cannot receive calls on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. After click on Sound and Vibration, click on Do Not Disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off Do Not Disturb. After turn off Do Not Disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down to and click on System. After click on System, click on Reset Phone. After click on Reset Phone, click on Reset All Settings and click on Reset. Enter phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so reinsert SIM card. Remove SIM card. Again, insert SIM card. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix your cannot receive calls on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.